Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. First, locate the charging port, which is conveniently positioned on the driver's side front fender. Always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off before you connect any charging cable. We'll cover the two primary charging levels, Level 1 and Level 2, so you can choose the best option for your needs and schedule. Let's get started with the basics of Level 1 charging. Level 1 charging is the simplest method, using the standard 120-volt charging cord that came with your Pacifica Hybrid. You can plug this cord directly into any regular household electrical outlet. While convenient, Level 1 charging is the slowest option. A full charge from empty typically takes about 12 to 14 hours, making it ideal for overnight charging or when you have plenty of time. For significantly faster charging, consider Level 2. This method uses a 240-volt charging station, which can fully charge your Pacifica Hybrid in about 2 to 2.5 hours. Many owners choose to install a Level 2 charger at home for daily convenience. While some public stations offer Level 2, home installation provides the most flexibility. Professional installation is often recommended for safety and optimal performance. To get the most out of your Pacifica Hybrid, charge it regularly. This helps maximize your electric driving range and overall fuel efficiency. It's also a good practice to avoid letting the battery completely deplete before you recharge it, as this can optimize battery longevity. Finally, always ensure your charging cable is securely placed and not a tripping hazard for anyone walking by. Following these simple tips will help you enjoy your hybrid to its fullest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.